वहाँ रह गई ना, जो पहले चीज चाहिए होती उसी को रोक ले। चलिए अब आप करिए। आई थिंक इफ द वॉल गोज कम्युनिकेशन विद द अदर मेंबर्स। ये क्या बीच में तो एक खंबा रख लिया? अच्छा आप लोग प्लीज हटिएगा।
अगर आप बैठेंगे तो बैठेंगे तो फिर
मेरी क्या रेजोल्यूशन
क्या होगा?
मौलाना हमारे ऐसे बादशाह लोगों ने कहा बादशाह करने था दिया इनको आपको दिया खड़े हो जाए फिर वो ड्राफ्ट करके हाँ वो अलग बात है ड्राफ्ट दिया है
पूरा ठीक हो रहा है। ये कोड नहीं है लिया तेरे हिसाब से निकलते रात की बैग का है
दिला सकते हैं तो जो उन्होंने हम पर विश्वास और भरोसा रखा है उसका कुछ हद तक हम उसको हम निभा सकेंगे और उनको अपने साथ रख सकेंगे। Friends, this is hardly an occasion for a speech, although amongst politicians all occasions are speech-making occasions. But we have gathered here primarily so that I can thank you all for the consistent support which you have given me and for the manner in which you have all fought this extremely difficult election. So the burden is, this is, at any election, at any victory, it is natural that we should feel elated, jubilant, happy. But I think that this time, the sense of responsibility far outweighs any happiness we may feel. The times are exceedingly difficult, nationally and internationally. The Janata and Lok Dal administration have left the country, as Gurudev Tagore said of the British. Perhaps some of you may remember that just a few months before his death, he wrote a piece saying to the British that I know you will go, nothing on earth can keep you here, but my worry is, in what state will you leave of misery, will you leave our nation? Now this is what happened. We knew that the Janata government would go, but we were increasingly concerned at the state, the ruinous state in which they would leave our economy, the political situation, as well as the social disharmony which they had created. So we are here now to pick up the pieces. We cannot just continue where we were. We have first to pick up the pieces of all that has been broken and shattered, and then to continue with the task of the removal of poverty and economic backwardness, the removal of disparities of economic and social injustice. So this is, although we have defeated a large number of people, some of the main and most vociferous members of the Janata and the Lok Dal have been elected. So don't think that your task in Parliament is going to be an easy one. I hope that you will be fully prepared to meet this onslaught, and if we work with dedication in the spirit of service and sacrifice, I'm sure that we will be more than equal to the task.
ऐसा समय आया कि सारी उन भित्तियों को, आधारों को और उन आदर्शों को ढहा देने की चेष्टा की गई। ऐसा लगता था कि इस देश में न सेकुलरिज्म जीवित रहेगा, न डेमोक्रेसी जीवित रहेगी, और सेल्फ रिलायंस और सोशलिज्म ये तो जैसे मालूम हुआ 11 वर्षों तक पहले भी हम उनका नेतृत्व देख चुके हैं। उन्हीं 11 वर्षों की घटनाएं हमारे सामने हैं। समस्त जगत के सम्मुख भारत का जैसा मस्तक उनके नेतृत्व में ऊंचा उठा, वैसा ही नीचा हुआ उस देश का मस्तक पिछले 2.5 वर्षों। सारी दुनिया में हमारे लिए कोई स्थान नहीं रहेगा। इंदिरा जी की तपश्चर्या का फल है। पिछले कई महीनों में विच्छिन्न हो गई, सदा के लिए गई। आज 2.5 साल में
The name of Srimati Indira Gandhi. As the leader of our party in Parliament. Friends, the name of Srimati Indira Gandhi as the leader of the party. I cannot prevent myself from expressing a few words. When posters, we were handicapped by financial resources. Posters came very late. But madam, that she be the leader of a parliamentary party, not today, forever.
मोहतरमा इंदिरा जी और हमारे दोस्त। और कोई नाम है?
तो ये हमारा और संसदीय दल